any officer. Why you?
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Why you scared of the camera? 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 Yes, it's a mission. What are you doing? You stopping over.
I'm filming you.
Stopping over.
No. I'm filming you. What's the problem? What is the problem?
No problem.
I'm filming you. What is the problem? Were you just transferred here? Is it new here?
Other officers like it's new. Even if it's new.
No, please. No. Stand out of my face. 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 You guys are always acting as if you don't know what you are doing here.
But this one was very friendly, but this one
Bring my gun. How you doing now?
Sorry, sir. This is
How are you? Is there no space here?
please give him a space to come in.
Yeah, that's right. Help him find the party. He has a child. How is that? They just brought some new people to come and be harassing. But they should have known that this is not going to work. I don't know how people know they learn. Arola.
lórí mi lọ wò lẹ́nu lọ pé àwọn nínú sẹ́ńtúrì ni.
That is why she will just cut it hot.
That's why I know he was saying that I was like,
because of this IGP today kind of expire, so they panic. You know what we talk about now?
Action.
Yes, sir. I never give us our land paper.
Don't worry, when you need it, you come. All these cameramen. Men, last time when I snap me, men when I take time. Men when I take time. I go change her from now.
I beg not to. Thank you, man. Everywhere good.
How are you, sir? Most likely, it's a special case.